the Bari vlog. Oh, I shouldn't have just lifted my arms up because I just realized I didn't shave my armpits. We are currently in I need to learn how to say it. Polignano Amare. That's real wrong. Polignano Amare.
Oh, Mare. At the beach.
Yeah, but I don't know how to say the first part.
Oh, I don't know.
Because don't you not pronounce G in Italian? It's like silent. We're gonna start the journey today. We already saw our hotel. It is stunning, but we can't check in until 3. So once we can check in, then we're all gonna get ready. We'll meet Matilda up because we're going to the cave restaurant. So excited. Are you happy to be in Italy?
Oh yeah, I'm very happy.
You have to say si.
What?
Si. Si. No. We've just found a restaurant. We actually had to look around like a lot to find a restaurant that had pasta because we're both feeling pasta. So I've just ordered the lasagna. I feel like I've hit my leg because it feels bruised, unless it's sunburned. But yeah, this is the view. Look how gorgeous it is. And we're right next to a Candyland. I ordered the lasagna, they got bolognese, and Mum also got lasagna. I needed one lasagna on this trip. And because while I look ugly, I thought I'd get the lasagna because then when I look hot and I can get the pasta, I get my pasta pick. Duh.
What else would I get lasagna today?
Okay, their bolognese has just come out. How is it? Is it good? Have you changed your mind? Matilda said she doesn't like bolognese, but really she doesn't like her mum's bolognese. Sorry, Wendy.
Sorry, Mom.
Right, this is our lasagna. Looks so yummy. We just checked into our hotel and I need to show you our room because it is stunning. Matilda is going to do the honor. Okay, so when you come in, this is the bed. Then we have a massive, is this cute? How do you open this? Okay, I don't know if it opens, so we're not going to worry about that. Then we have, you'll see that later, this cute little vanity. And then look at this view, like seriously. Like how slay is that? And then here's the bathroom. And we have another view. And then we have a bidet and a toilet. And me. And that is our hotel. Okay, we're at the cave restaurant. I am so fucking excited. You have no fucking idea. Literally so excited.
He was like, oh, I'm gonna go see the nun, and I was like, oh yeah, me too. Funny enough, so I went and sat through the nun, and I thought I was going to heaven. I thought heaven? Well, I thought I was going to hell. I thought it was the nun coming to drag.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso.
Okay, this is the scallop, and I don't even know what that is. Risotto.
No,
okay.
Some pie.
Some pie.
I think the risotto's next.
Okay, here's mine. Here's Matilda's. It looks gorgeous. Wow! Hey, I'm trying my spinach and my sea bass. What the fuck is this nut?
Is that so down over there?
Oh.
Is it?
I don't know. What's this?
Oh, this slaps.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah. Even your mum would eat this.
Really?
It's like a croquette. It's like potato croquette. I am living.
Good morning, everyone. We are currently walking to our first tour of the day. So we're going to the caves here. We had to do like a 30-minute walk and it's really hot and it's not even, it's like not even 8 o'clock yet, but we're trying to find, we need to find Doc D. How cool is this?
Oh, video's going. I thought I took a photo. Alright, still filming. Hello.
Hello everyone, so we did the tour. We've currently just stopped for some food. Mum is recovering from the walk. I think we're all recovering.
Out of breath.
Yeah, but we've stopped here and they have a cannoli, so I'm gonna get a cannoli for breakfast. Unless there's anything else.
Cream cornetto.
She's gonna get a cream cornetto. How did we all rate that tour? Dad, you
Water was
first.
amazing.
Water was amazing.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful. Your turn.
Lovely. Water was lovely.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
Very good
So,
commentary and all that.
Mum.
What'd you say?
Mum is such a Karen. And Dad is a Bill.
A bell.
And I am a Judy. Everyone like my Instagram photo.
Beach. I changed my mind. I'm gonna unlike it.
Fuck
I want
you,
a thumbs down.
Elizabeth. Okay, let's go look. Bless you. Let's go look at the food. Okay, I'm gonna go look at the croissants, and I think I want a cannoli though. For breakfast, I want a cannoli. Okay, I've made up my mind. I want a cannoli. There's definitely a croissant in there, I think.
Did you order from in there?
I don't know. I want a cannoli.
They got cannolis in there?
Yeah, big fat cannoli. I want a big fat cannoli. I want a big fat cannoli.
Cannoli or...
Why don't just go see what I want? Go see what you want.
They got cannolis in there?
Yeah.
Do we order from here?
Maybe we'll ask her when she comes. Guys, my first cannoli of the trip. How's your croissant, Dad?
Very crisp.
Take a bite into that croissant. Or deep throat it. How is it?
Really?
How is your... Oh, you haven't even tried it. This is pistachio.
I was busy.
Yum. Okay, go for it. Is it good? Thank you. We are at a restaurant right now. Hello. Say hello, Australia. We are at... We are at a restaurant for lunch. We're getting pizza. Mum got some chips. She thought they were potato. Well, they are potato chips, but she thought they were like...
Our potato chips.
Yeah, but
chips.
they are. They kind of are, but they're hot.
They're really
Yeah. I ordered a pizza and it has pistachio cream on it, so I'm very excited because that's what the guy recommended. That's what that guy Fabio recommended, so I'm very excited. Matilda ordered a margarita. And I also just ate some prickly pears, so I'm in a really good mood. These are our pizzas. It looks insane margarita. Pistachio. So, we're at dinner. Lunch. You're going in my belly. Oh my god, and it's got prosciutto on it. First bite of an Italian pizza. Incredible. Guys, I have been defeated. I am so full right now. I might explode. But it was really good. So, I've just been watching some of my uni for the last hour, but like really we were just listening and I wasn't even listening. I honestly have 2 assignments due while I'm away, and then the other ones as soon as I get back from Europe, I'm actually gonna try with uni, because last semester I didn't try. And this semester, the first 2 assignments, I'm in Europe, so like let's be real. But like I'm actually gonna try when I get home because I've been slacking. But I think I'm gonna start getting ready right now. I wish there was something I could put you on. Anyway, I need to do my makeup. Okay, we just got ready. I'll show you my outfit in 1 second, but this is the makeup, literally the same makeup I wear every day. The outfit. There we go. Okay, we're out for dinner. They just got a granada. Dad, what did you get? A
Strawberry granada.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. It's literally a...
For me, it's just better just like drinking Coke.
Amazing. Yeah.
Try this, you gotta try
Is
that.
it good?
Try that.
You can try my Coke one.
Nah, it'd be like drinking Coke.
Is it hot soapy?
You like
That's
strawberry?
good. It's like sour strawberry.
Yeah.